back, y'all. Welcome back to my channel, and yes, I'm here with another video, and I decided to do a little more creative look for you guys. I have a sunset tropical cut crease glittery vibe going on, so if you're interested in how I accomplish this look, just stay tuned and keep on watching. First, we're going to start out with the P.Louise base in the shade number 2, the Rumor, and we're going to apply this all over the lid. When applying this base, you want to make sure that you smooth it completely out. You want your eyeshadows to have a smooth and even canvas so it can be more manageable when you're applying the shadows. Now we're all set for eyeshadows. The first shade I'm going to use is the color Jax from the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to pack that shade into my crease area. Next, I will be using the shades Hunts and Roxanne, and I will be applying those two shades right above Jax. It's time to blend, girlfriend. You keep blending until you get rid of all of those harsh lines, and then once that's done, you can go back and add more of those shades that you used previously to get the color payoff that you're looking for. I've primed my other eye off camera, and now I'm just going to repeat the previous steps that I've done before, applying Jax, Hunter, and Roxanne, and just keep on blending like before until there aren't any more harsh lines. I be trying to film these cut creases for you guys, so bear with me because it's a little bit of a struggle when trying to record it, but also get close enough so you guys can see and not block it. So you will see me mess up just a little bit, but I will go back in and fix that line because I want it to be seamless and crisp. Now I will be packing in the shade Creamsicle from the same palette, and I'm going to apply that into my inner third of my eye and just really press that shade in so you can get a good color payoff. Now you want to go back into the shade Hunts and apply that color next to Creamsicle. And after you're finished applying it, you're going to want to blend it together and make it look like a fade. So use your blending brush and go in between the lines of Hunts and Creamsicle and let it mesh together, if that makes sense. We're going to go back into the shade Jax and now apply that to the outer third of your eye. And we're going to repeat the same step as before, where we're going to blend Hunts and Jax together. That way it's a seamless transition from one shade to the next. We're also going to clean up the crease with the shade Jax as well. You want your crease to seem as crisp as possible. So you go in with a smaller blending brush and you're going to create more of like a shadow above the crease so it can look cleaner. The eyeshadow look wasn't as intense as I wanted it to be, so I dipped into the shade Abyss, which is basically a black color, and I applied that to the outer corner of my eye so I can give the look a little bit more drama. I wanted to be a little extra today, so yes, I'm adding glitter. Glitter just makes my day, give it a little pizzazz. So yes, that's what I'm doing here. I've already applied my eyeliner and lashes, and now I'm going to jump into my regular makeup routine, which includes foundation, concealer, contouring, setting my face, and then I'll be back for final touches on the eyes. We're back on the eyes now, and I'm using the shade Hunts, and I'm applying that to my lower lash line. Then I will be using some black eyeliner from ColourPop to put in my waterline. Following that, I will be using Benefit's Big Bang Mascara. Yes, honey, we've reached the end of the row. I'm just doing a few finishing touches, adding a little bit of glitter to the bottom lash line. And then after that, I'm going to drench this gorgeous face in some Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. Yes, that's the holy grail. And then we will be done. hold up, hold up, hold up. How could I forget the glow up? Yes, excuse me. Yes, I have to add my little highlight here and there. I cannot forget that. And then I will be done. Until next time, my loves.